Hey guys, happy Halloween. If you're like me, Halloween makes you feel like a kid again. It's such a playful, fun time. So today I'm being joined by my very creative friend, Debbie Morales, who's gonna share with us easy, last-minute, inexpensive costume ideas for today. Welcome to Happiness Adventure. I'm Lisa, and together we'll explore ways to cultivate real joy in our lives. Debbie, for people on a budget, what are some different ways they can tackle Halloween without having to reach into their wallets?
Yes, it can be expensive. It's becoming one of the most expensive holidays. And I think your thrift stores are great if you have time. Maybe that neighbor's costume that really stuck with you last year would be a good idea. You might find something in your closet you could just put together for that, okay, you can wear a costume to work, or yes, there's a small party and you just want to be included. So you can find things in your closet without having to go out and buy something. Check out who we've put together here. Your San Diego convention goer. Grab a wild shirt out of the closet, throw some cameras and binoculars on, and make your friends guess what you are.
I like this even more than a store-bought costume because it's very creative.
Yes, didn't cost a dime.
So Debbie, what's our second option?
Well, we went into the closet and we borrowed some things from military days. But here you have our no-frills airline pilot. So I had the opportunity of going to a party. My husband's wearing the top of his military fatigues. No, I was wearing the top, and he wore the bottoms of the fatigues, and we made everybody guess. We were an upper and lower GI. Maybe a medical test that isn't done too often now, but it would stump them. And also you could take maybe his fatigue hat that goes with this and put a mop around his face, and he would be Duck Dynasty. So Lisa, you don't have to be obvious. You don't have to hit somebody over the head. You don't have to cut a cardboard box and paint it into something. You can be just clever and make people guess, and then as the party or business day or whatever evolves, other people get into it also, trying to guess who they are, and those who have guessed kind of keep it as their secret. So just think and have fun.
Okay guys, I hope you really enjoyed these ideas for getting creative with your Halloween costume. In the comments, please let me know what you decide to be. Special thanks to Debbie and Steve Morales for sharing these ideas and modeling them. This has been a lot of fun, and I look forward to seeing you soon for our next happiness adventure.